how we should carry, where we should carry, and you know, where it should be placed, the flashlight. I would say like this, in a place that you can access it quickly, but keep it in the same place for consistency, okay? I do recommend, because that's going to be your only tool probably, you're going to be carry for self-defense, in your dominant side, okay? Why in your dominant side? Because once I draw, I have my flashlight here, and I can still operate with my front hand to stop the threat, to keep my distance, to do some defenses, to redirect, and so on, okay? When I'm in Poland, my situation is opposite, because on my right side I have my firearm, which has also light attached to it, by the way, as a secondary. Yes, because you know, you never know. So my light is here. Yeah? It's on the left side, so I use support hand if I need to. Yeah? But fortunately, you know, the shootings happens very, very rarely in Poland, so I'm probably never gonna need it, but who knows, okay? So firearm is here, flashlight is here, knife is here, and the CS gas is here. Yes, in the same order every single time. So I know where to pick just by feeling. Okay, less lethal solution, more lethal solution, or just a flashlight just to check. Yeah. So, but you need to set up it for yourself. But I would recommend strong side. Yes, just keep it on a strong side. Yeah. So now, how to draw it, yeah? So depends if it's covered with a garment, yes? Because at the moment here, you see I have clear access to it, yeah? But I might have something long sleeve or whatever, or maybe I wanna cover it for purpose, I don't want people to see it, okay? So you need to remove the garment and then just go, put the thumb in, draw it up, switch the position, and there we go, yeah? And from here immediately I'm gonna go to my ready stance, fighting stance, you know, whatever you call it, the stance that I have mobility, stability, and balance, and I can move, I can maneuver, I can fight, I can defend, yeah? So basically the stance what we have in Krav Maga, yeah? But it's not going to be necessary this, I might have this hand in front just to check, just to, you know, deal with the problem, and this one's gonna be for using the flashlight, yeah? So one more time. If I have any fabric, I use support hand to clear it up. Then I'm gonna just go with my thumb, bring it up, switch the grip, put my thumb at the end, and from here I'm gonna operate it, okay? If I'm going through the park like this, for example, and there is a night, obviously I'm gonna take it off my pocket, and I'm just gonna carry the same very way here, yeah? And I'm just gonna light my way. Yeah, so you don't have to just have it for like special threat occasions, you know, it's a flashlight. You might just, you know, you might just go and light yourself the way. So once again, it's good to have because that gives you like a, you know, superpower, isn't it? What else can you do to stop the guy coming to you, you know, without touching him, without hurting? Flashlight to the face, yeah? You see what's gonna happen later on and how it beautifully works.